Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, and today you're here on Thomas Review channel, where we do unboxing, setups, and how-to videos. And today I am super excited about this video. Check out my shirt just to give y'all a little heads up. Check out my shirt. Today I am unboxing Dream Controller, and the hubby will put the link down below in the description. So as some of you might already know, I have a Switch. So today I got two new controllers for my Switch. It came like this, all packaged up. I kind of cracked it a little bit, so we get ready to get into it. So I'm fancy, guys. I'm fancy. Check this out. For all y'all Mario loving brothers and sisters out there, look at that. So y'all see how it came? It was bubble wrapped and then it's specially sealed. Ooh, look at the details. I am excited. So we gotta get the other one out of here. Same thing, bubble wrapping. I snatched that off kind of quick. It was another paper. Check out the details of this side. This is, I think, the princess. I'm not a really big Mario fan, but I know some of y'all out there are like addicts. Y'all like to collect all things Mario. So this is pretty cool. They actually have other designs as well. So please click in the link below and check it out. So on the little joysticks, you know, when you're playing by itself, it connects like so. Let's see how rusty I am, you guys. It's been a little bit. And I think I went too far. There we go. And then you have two separate controllers to play your Switch with. I'm excited. I love the color. The colors. There it is. So we got two perfectly good new controllers. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how these babies work. I'm going to connect them to my Switch. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here's my Switch. We're going to just slide these on here. It's like changing the clothes. Look how fancy that looks. So here's my little couple of games. I don't play much here, but just to click. So we're going to do a little thing so you can see how smooth everything's working here. Don't pay attention to me getting tore up. The buttons are smooth. I'm blowing some stuff up. Yep, no problems. Everything, no sticking or anything. Everything's good. Woo! I know I could be a better player. It's okay. Woo! Yeah. So this is how great these joysticks are. As I said, you want to go to Dream Controller website. My husband's going to put the link down in below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share our videos out. And if any of you already own a Dream Controller or have any other series of these particular joysticks, comment down below. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.